The story of this restaurant began 3 years ago, when the famous restaurateur William Lamberti decided to open a new place with a very unique concept. You're watching the YouTube channel of the Silent Miracle Studio. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. The Historia restaurant was an unusual project for us. We saw that much attention is paid to the interior in this restaurant. In the restaurant industry, it is concerned that spending a lot of money on the interior doesn't make much sense because the return on this investment is too small. The interior, however, used a lot of exclusive solutions. Also, the scale of this project was astounding. The area of the restaurant was more than 1,000 square meters. It was a unique project and it took 3 years to implement. The restaurant's entrance is a little narrow cave. This is how civilization started. Going through it, you get into a spacious hall with multiple zones and different textures, colors and surfaces. According to the project, the cave should have been gold foil incrustated. But when the client saw the final result with the natural-looking rocks, they decided to drop this idea as gold here might look too much. The large focus in the interior was on the play of light and shadows. Everything was though out. Such a macho style makes the interior customer-specific and unique aesthetically. Our clients are usually creative people who don't follow the rules. They work and travel a lot. They know what they want to see in their interiors. Our client considered 5 or 6 design studios to help him execute the idea of rocks inside their restaurant. But finally, he chose us because the sample made by our artist looked natural, unlike the others. William says that 90% of the restaurant guests think that the rocks are natural and look surprised to know that rocks are made of concrete. Besides the rocks, we were asked to make an art panel imitating the texture of ancient African wood. Our artist nailed it too. That surprised William the most. He didn't expect concrete to be used to imitate the wood. The studio's artist created the form, texture and color. You can see for yourself, the art panel looks impressive. Restaurant guests can choose a table in one of the zones, in the temple, grotto, cave or fireplace room. Which areas did 7 Miracle Studio design? Share your guesses in the comments below. I'm absolutely delighted with this place and I'm thinking that inside it's a really cozy place and I don't want to leave it anymore. My name is Eugene. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.